Today's lecture is about data visualization, about research last week. This one is kind of additional.
I'm here.
Yeah. You took business intelligence earlier, right?
Yes, Dr. Kim.
Yeah, we covered this visualization in that class already.
Yes, I remember.
Uh-huh.
That was
So
fun.
it's up to you. It's up to you. You can stay or you can leave because you already learned this part. So it's up to you.
Dr. Kim, I want
Say again.
to stay because I like to listen to you.
Okay. Research process is like a select a topic and then based on that topic develop question and then research structure, literature review, and data collection and data analysis and so on. And then deliverable is research paper. And then maybe you need a presentation. So from data analysis, you find something. We call that insight. So based on that insight, you explain what you found. So at the time, you may use a table, you may use a chart, you may use graph. So it's like that. Get insight for a better decision, and then easier for the human brain to process. So just to show a number or using number, make something a chart, table, and graph. So showing what you found using graph, chart, and so on, that is better. So this one, data visualization is kind of part of the data analysis or business analytics. Many tools we can use for this visualization. Using Excel, we may use Power BI. We may use Tableau. We may use R. We may use Python and so on. But anyway, most widely used tool for visualization is Excel. So, this time, some of you taking my special lecture about the R, using R. Later, if I can do, then I will make that R class for our regular class. And then I'm going to develop visualization course using Power BI and using Tableau and so on. That isn't my plan, but I don't know if I can, because our Marriott University is not supportive to develop new course. So anyway, there are many tools to make a visualization. So one of them is Excel. So we have data like this. It's about what's your dream company by survey, how many of the interview or survey choose. So mostly, the most people choose Google as a dream company, Apple, and so on. So they rank like this, and then percentage is like this. So using this data, draw chart graph like this. So using the Excel file on Moodle. So if you can do it together, so download this file. It's on Moodle. This file. Okay, say when. So most of you already know how to develop charts using Excel. So practice together. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, thank you. Okay, when we develop a chart using Excel, first thing is highlight or specify area what we want to draw. For this case, highlight, and then go to insert, and then it's easy one, recommended chart. So it looks like this. Now, whatever you can choose. Then I will choose this one. It's different from the chart on PowerPoint. You know, this chart highlight like, you know, top company, upper, and then lower like this. Because show Google is the most and then first. But then the chart using that Excel is kind of reverse. So if you want to make it Google on top, then you may need sort. So using rank, click this one, and then you can sort largest to smallest, make it reverse order, and then do it again, and insert, recommended. What the? This one maybe because I highlighted rank 2, so highlight only 2 columns. Using Control key, highlight 1 column, and then hold Control key, and then another column. Then yes. So we can change like this. And then you can add name. I type like dream company. And then if we want to change color, then we can change color, whatever you use. And if we want to change color of individual color, maybe use other color like this. And then you may change in only one column, like that is the design. Then you can change where is the color format, and you can change only. Oops, why it doesn't work? Usually work. Work like this. So you can make an you can customize using whatever tool. So looking better, right? And then you may save this chart somewhere. So right click and then move chart, and then use it. And maybe you can name like a dream company chart. Okay. And you can save the chart somewhere. So I save this part chart like this. Okay, next one. This one is if you go JD Power website, then every year around June, they issue ranking. That is IQS is kind of the quality of a car. So first 3 months is 90 days. The problem, customer reports. So lower, better. So this one is like showing a higher number on top, because this one is like a higher the better, but this one is lower the better. So showing a lower on top. So like this. So I can find the real one. That also the real one. So JD Power. Earlier I used the JD Power data and then Hyundai data, Toyota data. Then I made a research paper. Just a moment. Yes. I tried to find it on a website. You may find in the IQS, and you can see where's IQS initial quality, not initial quality study. Yes. So this one is the real IQS. So usually IQS issue the report with this chart. Oh, this one is the same. So looks like this. Go back and next. Okay, we have another example data. So monthly product sales data. So using this data, we can draw different types of charts. So go back to Excel. So first one, line charts. I will try to develop that line chart. So using monthly sales data. That is monthly sales. So for each product. So I will not include in all products, and then I will not include total. So highlight like this, then insert and line chart. You can use the recommended chart or directly go to a line chart. Then you can choose whatever line chart like this. So you can change monthly sales. And then you can add axis title. So this axis title is like a sales. Then x-axis title is months. And then also you can change color or design. So choose whatever design. Ooh. I don't like that. Why is number like that? Without number, change data label. Okay, I like the simple one, so it looks like this. So I will copy and then open a new area and then paste. Then make kind of a dashboard. So one here, make bigger. Good. And go back to Then all product in a line chart. So let's go. The data and all product. So by month. So months highlight and then control key. They highlight another column and then insert, then line chart, done. So all products, already named, okay, good, monthly sales. The same, add X is title. And maybe change color, the background. Shape, fill, whatever. I like this color. So Control X. Make it a dashboard. Still, I can change color here. So maybe it doesn't work. Maybe because I saved this one as picture, so I cannot edit here. Okay, go to next one. So annual sales, and then bar chart, column chart, annual sales, column chart. So go to monthly. So annual sales. So we can highlight only product, and then control key, highlight total, and then insert, and this one, clustered in a column chart. So we can change name, annual sales, and last one, last 2 months sales for each product, last 2 months. The last 2 months, so highlight product, and then last 2 months, highlight, then go to there, clustered column chart. You may use a stacked chart. You may use cluster the bar. So whatever, but I will use this one. So last 2 months is like this, and then also you can add access title. This, and let's see what color is. Yeah. Look good. Take this one, and then cut and go. Look good, right? Excel function for a chart visualization. Not very much powerful, but very useful, and then easy to use. Okay, good. Next thing. Anytime if we have a question or something, then stop me. Okay, next one. Showing some function, Excel function, and then try to develop a chart. So this one in the shaded cells, so using formula function and fill sum, max, mean, average, median, and then using a large function. Okay, let's go. So utilities data. Number one, in the shaded cells, use a formula and functions to compute the missing value. So electric cost, that will be kilowatts used, and then times the rate. So it will be equals rate times usage. So rate, we will use this rate for all cells. So make it absolute value. We call that absolute reference or absolute value. So just type F4 for function key, then it will change with the dollar sign. That means this one is, even we change cell, this one doesn't change. So make it absolute reference using F4 function key, and then times kilowatts usage, then enter. So this is like this. rate times usage. Then again, rate times usage, rate times research. So this rate for all cells, so we made that rate as the absolute reference or absolute value. And then just copy down. Or you can just double click when move your cursor right bottom corner of this cell, then double click, then it automatically copy down. And then this cell, the same, equals guess rate, make it absolute value, and then times usage, enter, then copy down. You can dragging down, you can just double click and copy down, and next cell equals water rate absolute reference times and usage, enter, and then copy down like this. So this one is like something technique. Then the technique make somewhat easy. And next one, yearly total. So that is sum of all cells. So using function sum. So you can type sum, or you can find the function on in this little cell drop down. Then you can use this sum. Oops. Equal. Equal. Sum of this or cell, enter. Then you can copy, dragging to right. Okay. And then highest monthly, which month is highest? Then you can use max, max function equals max max, then highlight cell, specify area range, enter, and dragging to right. Next one is the lowest. Equals using mean, minimum function, then again specify range, enter, to right. Then average using mean equals mean. Oops, not that one. Average. Average function specify, enter, then copy, and median. You know median, right? So equals and median. Then specify, enter, done. Are you with me? Okay, the last one, third largest. Third largest. We can use large function, so equal larg large function, and in this area, comma, and third largest. So large in this area, third largest, enter. You may find like a second largest, third largest, something like that. Okay. And then this one, next number in the total cost column, use conditional formatting to highlight the highest and lowest cost with the red and green. You know, earlier version of Excel, there was that tool, but then I checked today, then I cannot find. So, you know, highlight, there's no total cost in the cell. Then in a home menu, here, conditional formatting. So drop down menu, and then top bottom rules. There was just a simple top bottom rule, but for this Excel version, disappear. Then you can specify the top green, bottom red like that, but there is no that function. So let's use like top 10 items, or a top, or you can just top 3. So highlight like this. Maybe use other color, yellow. You may use other like red and so on. So using this conditional formatting, you can highlight using whatever criteria, top 5, top 3, and top 3, and then use other color, custom color you may use. So you can use this conditional formatting and show kind of important number, or you want to highlight whatever number. So something like this. So based on this, top 3 months in June, July, August. 3 months is the highest the utility cost months is like this. Okay, next one, create the following charts, editing and adding labels. A line chart showing the total cost over time. Line chart, total cost. So total cost here. So months, highlight months, specify months, and then using control key, hold, and then total cost. And then the same for 2, insert, and then what kind of chart that this one has? Line chart. So you can go directly line chart or using recommend this one, line chart, and okay. So total cost is okay, and add access title, like cost, and access title is months. So you can change color, whatever. I like this. And then you can save this one individually using move charts, or just copy and paste. So cut and then somewhere. So make like a dashboard. So next one, a bar chart showing kilowatts used. So only kilowatts. This one. So I will highlight months and kilowatt use. And then this one ask bar chart. So that's bar chart. This one is column chart. So chart and bar chart. So this one okay, this one okay, whatever. Okay, let's use this one. So chart name is like kilowatts. And kilowatts used is okay. And here, access title. Costs. It's like in the double, so we don't need that one. Delete. Okay, good. Actually, this one is months. Delete this one and then this is months. This is the cost. So you can customize, and then make dashboard. And next one, ask clustered column chart showing all utility cost, showing all utility cost. So months, highlight, specify, electric cost, gas cost, for cost, and then go to chart, cluster, one cluster column chart, showing. So this one is utility cost. Add this title. Month. Maybe change color. Change color individually, like here. Background, not text. Okay, I like this color. Okay, then Control X. Is it speed okay? Can you follow me?
Yes.
Too fast?
No.
No, it's okay. And next one is stacked area chart showing utility cost, the same one, using stacked area chart. So again, utility cost. So this one is a stacked area chart. Then click OK. Title the same, utility costs. Again, add month. Okay. Let's use color and Control X. Then color is not good. Bright color. Maybe. So you can customize using whatever color, line type, and so on. Okay, next one says stacked. Oh, we did pie chart. pie chart showing total utility cost by type, and then explode the gas cost portion. So total utility cost. The total utility cost here. So electric cost, hold the control key, gas cost, water cost, total cost, total cost, total cost, and then insert pie chart. I like this one. And maybe that's good. Showing a percentage too. So make, then this one ask explode the gas cost. Gas cost is the red one. So click this cell. Okay. Too far. So that is good. Looks good. So total. Cost. So this gas cost is highest cost among utility cost. So explode, make it separate. Oops. No, you go. What? Yes. Make it kind of separate from body. Okay, good. Control X, then store there. Oops, too big. Bigger than others. Look good. And next one, it asks clustered column with line on second axis charts showing kilowatts used and electric cost over time. So kilowatts and electric cost. So using a clustered column and line chart. So electric cost and kilowatts. So here, months, kilowatts, electric cost. Then go to chart. Then this one is kind of a special. So looks like this. So, using second axis, electric cost and kilowatts. So column, this is electric cost. cost. This one is kilowatts. Here, months. And you may change this axis. Change format axis. Then you may change maximum 140, maybe 100. What is the highest? 100, 120. Yes, separate a little bit. Change this axis. So it's like right click, then format axis, then you can change maybe from not 0, maybe from the smallest is, what is that, 40 to 30. It show more like up and down, or you can change this one from smallest is 40. So whatever, I would just use from 0 to 20. Control X, store here. Good. Okay. Okay, now 7:03. Let's take a 7-minute break. So I will be back 7:10. Okay, pause.